the treatment plant. What we're going to do today is we're going to go through everything that gets done with the water on a daily basis, winter, fall, because there's switches in here that need to be taken care of. So first thing we do is Monday morning, we come in, we pull this slide gate up, set it like this. This is for the dewatering. So when we start dewatering, it lets the water go through. Second thing we do, put some plugs on. And being Monday morning, this rag bucket is normally full right to the top. If it's too full, bring another rag bucket over, you take the forks, you dig out the excess, put it in this rag bucket, and then you tie it up. There's two bags. So first one you tie up into a knot like this. Second one, you do the same thing. One more time, double knot it, and then it's ready to go. So that was just these are clean bags, so put them back to where they were. The reason we double bag it is because it goes to up to the transfer station, and it gets pushed into the trailer, and then it goes up to the pinnacle to be burned. At the end of the day, we come in, pull this bucket out. Put a new bucket in, make sure it has a bungee around it. That goes in, that will run for the day, for the nighttime. Tomorrow morning you come in, you pull this one out if it's full, and this one got half into it, you put that back in there. Now, next thing we do is we take the hose. And this is done on a daily basis, even Saturday and Sunday. Come up the ladder, and you wash the inside of this box. What I do is I don't look inside, I just start hosing it, then I look inside. And then there's also a beam that you're going to hit, go across that. Wash that out, and you're done. And we just put this back. Shut the water off. Next thing we do, this is done on Monday only, is we come over and we grease the grit classifier. Which is this right here. There's a bearing down at the back, on the bottom here, and you give it 5 shots of grease. And we do that once a day, once a week, on a Monday. And if it's a holiday, you do it on Tuesday. Now, the other thing we do, these are the rags that we picked up over the week, since last Friday. We call the landfill, and they will give us a call back when they're ready to take them. Then the employees will wheel them over to the door, and at that point they'll put them in the truck and take them over to the transfer station. Now, put this back. In the winter, and they can just throw the gloves away. In the wintertime, we have to put the heat on in here. We've got a heater up there, and there's a heater over there. Over in the boiler room, which I'll show you in a minute, there's 2 circulators. One heats this part of the building, and one heats the main building, the dewatering building. But this is on, this particular fan is set up that you have to turn it on to run it. and it's in an off position now. So when it gets around this November, it starts to get below zero, below freezing, you want to throw this fan on. This particular fan over here has a thermostat. So it will come on automatically once the heater is running. All right, now we'll stop here, we'll go into the, I'll show you where the furnace. So what we got going on is on Mondays, or we come in, we pull the slide gate with the watering, we change the rags, we grease the bar rack, and that takes care of that for Monday. Tuesday through Sunday, you come in every day and you change the rags every single day, and wash down the rag box or rag washer. Just want to wash that down. That's done on a daily basis. Wintertime, you turn the circulator on, and you can turn the heater on in here to keep this place warm. It will stay fairly warm because the sewer is warm, but we want to make sure that we keep warm in here because there's a lot of pipes in here. If they freeze, we're going to be a big expense. In the summertime, we turn on the exhaust fans, and I'll show you what those are. The exhaust fans are right here. The reason that they happen to be outside was this was the original building and this was added on. So the switch was placed on the outside. All you do is push it up, and that starts the two exhaust fans in the room to take the odors out. And then come winter time, you shut them back off again. The next thing we do, and this is done once a week, we can do it on a Monday. Slide this over. This is the old grit system. I just run it on a weekly basis just to exercise the pump downstairs and put some little material in here. I'll step back just a little bit. The switch is right here to turn on. A cyclone degritter, and basically all I'm doing is just exercise it's a backup to this degrading system. But to keep it running, we just exercise it about once a week. And we just slide it off so she can drain into that drain. All right, now another thing. Okay, that takes care of everything in here. We're going to go to the dewatering room now.